Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys a little bit about what the fresh sprout is for in Heartopia. So basically, it says maintaining works of different load-bearing levels requires varying amounts of fresh sprouts. If the beavers go hungry, they might go on strike. Okay, so as you can see, that doesn't really explain a lot, but what it basically means is if I go to like the beaver icon here and it says team currency, so currently what our team has is on this side, which is 43,665 fresh sprouts, and this number here is the like workload we have on the island. So if you add more furniture or building materials, it's going to go up, and that's why you need to earn fresh sprouts. It's to be eligible for the exhibition phase later on. So it was like the workload was at, I think, 10,000. Um, yeah, it was at 10,000 and then it went up more. So this is not the like current fresh sprouts you currently have. I said currently like twice, but this is the fresh sprouts you have, and this is the fresh sprouts you need. So for instance, you only have like 10,000 fresh sprouts and you have like 20,000 like for the like workload you have on the island. You will need to earn more. It's going to be red, don't worry. Right now I have enough, but again, as the workload goes up, the fresh sprouts needed goes up as well. This is like the workload I mean. If you go to like build mode, I'm not going to go to the island because it takes like more steps. But if I go to like the build mode here, there will be like a workload on the top of your like screen. I still can't figure it out though, like the amount of like workload equals to how many fresh sprouts, because it's like different for every like furniture, building material, so I don't know exactly like how much is like what. But as you can see, there's the workload here, and it basically equals to like how many fresh sprouts you need, but it's not as much as the like actual like workload numbers. I hope you understood that. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!